أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Open on page 36. It starts with lesson 26. The letter with tasdeed has a vertical accent below. It is in place of kasrah. Bi should be read lightly, but one with vertical line is read with elongation. So it sounds bi. Read with me. Bi. Bi. Ni. Ni. Nabiyina.